Yeah. Why did I mean to make you get out of your... Go back. Go back. Go back in. Go back in, silly. Go back inside. Hey, buddy. Just making sure you're all right. Yeah, the snow's here. It's gonna be snowing for the next, I don't know, 12 hours. They're calling for like, I think 5 to 6 inches of snow. So yeah, making sure everyone's got plenty of straw or hay for their bedding. I'm not worried about Lilu. She's got a heat lamp in there, so she's the most cozy, but the rest of them, I put that flap on Dallas's door so the breeze isn't gonna hit him anymore. All right, well, see you guys after the storm.